Hello friends, in this video we will learn about bones and muscles. Each part of our body is important. We do different things using different parts of our body. We use both our hands and legs to run, to swim, climb a tree, to skip a rock. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our sense organs. They help us to sense and feel the world around us. Kids, have you ever thought what these body parts are made of or how they are connected? Our body is made up of millions of tiny cells. Cells in differ in size and shape. Now try and do it. Touch the front part of your leg below your knee and then touch the back of it. The front part is hard, whereas the back of the leg is soft. Both the side you touch, you would have made feel that there are different things inside your body. The harder part at the front of your leg, which you felt, is the bone, and the softer part at the back is the muscles. Together, they make you perform most of the tasks in your daily life. Movements like picking up a book, writing something in a notebook, and moving knees towards the chest are possible because of the bones in our body. Let us learn more about bones. Bones have a hard outer layer made of calcium. All the bones are connected with each other. These connections or meeting points are called joints. We can bend our body around the joints. We can feel the joints too. Do you know a baby has around 270 bones and an adult has 206 bones? This is because some of our bones fuse as we grow up. Here, bone fuse means the actual number of bones will decrease as the baby grows. All human beings have the same structure of bones. All the bones join together to form a skeleton. The skeleton is the framework which gives shape and support to our body. It helps us to move, give muscles a place to attach themselves, and protects the soft organs inside our body from injury. Do you know that a bone doctor is called an orthopedist? Now let us learn about softer part of our body, that is the muscles. Our bone cannot move on their own. They are covered with body tissues that expand and contracts, thus causing movements. These body tissues are called muscles. Muscles make up nearly half the weight of our body. They provide us the push and pull activity which body needs to bring about the movement. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. The only muscles exposed on the outside of our body is the tongue. If we blink our eye, we move 200 muscles at one time. The smallest muscles is inside our ear. It is the muscles that help you to smile, frown, yawn, and kiss. There are more than 30 muscles in our face. The muscles in our body are covered by a layer of skin. There are some parts in our body which are neither hard nor soft. Let's do an activity. Touch your nose or your earlobe. These are neither bones nor muscles but are called cartilages. These parts tend to be little flexible. When we grow, it is actually our bones and muscles growing. We can make sure that our bones and muscles will grow fast and remain in a very good condition by eating a healthy meal, exercising, and maintaining a correct posture. Now, let us understand the word posture. The way we sit, stand, or move is called posture. Good posture is very important. When we sit, we need to keep our back straight against the back of the chair and keep our feet flat on the ground. When we stand, we must keep our shoulder and back straight, as you can see in the picture. When we walk, we should keep our body straight and swing our arms from the shoulders. Once we start sitting or standing in wrong posture, our bones and muscles get used to that shape, and in the future we find it difficult to sit and stand straight. So, we should practice a good posture every day till it becomes a habit. Thanks for watching.